Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to cruise or just thinking about it, stick around as we bring you everything you need to know and everything we did on this 7-night cruise on the MSC Seashore around the Caribbean. Good morning guys, it is a sea day morning for sea day. We just got up, it's almost 10, we just been chilling in the room. Today we are gonna have brunch. It's new for MSC. So we didn't miss breakfast. Well, we kind of missed breakfast, but brunch is better. So we're gonna have brunch and then see what we get into the rest of the day. It is a sea day, so that means the pools and everywhere is going to be full. We've just been trying to get Gerald's wristband fixed again and again. Like every single day we've been trying to get it fixed, but this is the last time. I just need a refund if it doesn't work. So we're going back to the kids, the game room to try it. And if it doesn't work, that's it. But he really wanted that, like you guys saw that. But anyway, the captain just came on, told us where we were. Don't ask me because I don't remember. But we were somewhere in the ocean heading to Montego Bay, Jamaica. That's the kids club. Ooh, they bouncing in there. Alright, so let's go see what's going on and then figure out what we're going to do for today. Oh, thank you. Okay, so we just tried to check the pass, how much he has left. So when you buy it before you board, it's $80 and you get $140 in credits. That's the best deal you're gonna get, because if you buy it on the ship, you pay $70 and get like maybe $100 or you get $90 something, but it's not as much as this. And he has $98 left, so he can play. And we have what, 4 days left? So yeah, that's what the credits are. So now we're gonna find stuff to do. Such a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. So this is the sangria bar I was telling you about. It is cute how they have it set up. So I did red. You could do red, white, or rosé. Probably try the rosé next. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So cute. Today's dessert looks so yummy. Jarrell and I came down for some desserts from the buffet. Well, not down. Oh, so I'm trying the carrot cake of the day, fruit tarts, and something that looks like almost like a macaron, but it's not. And then I got my sangria. You can add additional fruits. I tasted it. It tastes pretty good. I like it. This is the red wine. I think I'm gonna try the sangria. No, the what is it? The rosé sangria next. You guys, why did I come play again? And I was up, and now I'm down bad. I was up, you guys. I was winning, and in typical gambling fashion, you think you can up what you're at, and then I lost it all. Okay, but at least it's still their money I'm playing with, so it's fine. But it would have been nice to go home with some money. I know I still want to gamble more. I think I have a problem. Alright, let me go see what else I'm gonna do on this ship. Just taking this view, you guys. Oh my goodness, literally been just walking around eating pizza. Gerald's going back to the room with pizza. I gambled, ate pizza, lounged around. I went to a Facebook meetup for or sailing. Like whenever you're sailing, just search the name of the ship and the date and you'll find a group for that sailing. Met a few people, most people didn't show up, and then we had to leave because they had a private event in the same room that we booked, so that was unfortunate. Now Jarrell is gonna go chill and eat his pizza, and I'm gonna go to the trivia show or game or whatever that is, and then try to get some more shows in. That's the plan for today. Probably should have come earlier if I wanted to sit, but it's fine. I'm just gonna see what's going on. I just missed this game, so I'm gonna get in on the next one. But I didn't really come for the guess the price game. I came for the one that's coming up after this in 8 minutes. You guys, it is so embarrassing. This trivia, I'm getting like a 0 out of 10 or whatever. It's so funny. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it is so much fun.
Think about the software company.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so fun. I did the trivia. I did what, 3 or 4 trivias, and I did the dominoes tournament. We went to my team, just a random girl. We went to round 2, and then we were done. Love these elevators. Yeah, so I did that, had a ton of fun. Now I'm gonna go to the room, probably chill for a little bit before dinner. These hallways, you guys, but I always try to walk downstairs or upstairs, where you just go through all the pretty shops and stuff, so it doesn't feel like you're walking that long. But once you start walking through these, it's like, oh my god, I'm never gonna reach. Almost, no, halfway there. And now they're at the fit class. I should have gone. That's some good music they're dancing to. Okay, I just saw fit dance and I'm like, but I should have done that one too. I'm in my element doing these ship activities, you guys. Alright, so Jarrell is with me now, so we're gonna find something to do a little bit before it's time to get dressed for Gala Night. You guys, I keep getting free drinks ordered for me from people's account that they pay for, because I didn't get drink package like I said. So I was gambling. This lady, we started chatting up and stuff, and she ordered a White Russian. Then she grabbed me one. So I'm done. I won $12 and I lost it again. So it is the name of the game, right? 18. Now Jarrell wants to play his games, so we're heading to the kids club or the game area so he can play. But yeah, people are still in the pool. A lot of people are dressed up for Gala Night. This is like the night you dress up and, you know, be all cutesy and stuff. But I've been dressing up every night. I just wanted to dress up. But tonight I'm gonna be in a nice little black dress. A little black dress. The kids are gonna be in like a shirt. So I just want to keep it cute. I'll show you some pictures, of course, of what we get into. Okay, we're bowling. I hit 2 and Jarrell is breaking these people's machine, telling me that he's gonna do better than me. Almost broke it. Oh, you still did better than me breaking the people's machine. Whatever. It is what, almost 6 o'clock. This is what the pool area looks like on a sea day. So it's not crazy right now. It was crazy earlier, but now it's, you know, dying down. So you really don't feel it as much all the time that the ship is full and our sailing is full. All right, so let's see what else we get into.
If you're liking this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay up to date on our cruise adventures. So much more to come.
Dinner's done. I'm gonna see if I can catch the variety show everyone talks about. So I'm at the variety, well, I was at the variety show. It was so much fun. They went on a break, so I'm like, let me take a break too. So hopefully I get a good seat again when I go back. But yeah, I'm just walking a little bit, just stopping and seeing a little bit of everything that's going on. So much going on though.
India, the Chief Doctor, Siddharth Bhaskaran.
After the club late night snack, I got just a cheese pizza that I mangled, and then a pastrami sandwich. They have tuna. I think I saw a chicken sandwich. I think it changes each night because I didn't see this last night. They did have tuna and stuff last night, but yeah. So they have some sort of sandwich, some sort of hot dog, burger, these, and then like nachos. You can make your own nacho with the cheese sauce, the chips, the beans, and beef, and the whole thing. I think there was food. There's definitely some desserts. So yeah, you get a decent, you know, late night snack until like 1 a.m. or something like that, I think it says. Then I went back and got lime pie. This is really good. It's like a cheesecake, like a lemon lime cheesecake something, but I like it. Too late to be eating all this. It's almost 1 o'clock, but hey, I'm on vacation. Vacation weight don't count. Calories don't count, right?